Okay, so one of the assignments that we will be doing quite frequently is making digital postcards. So today I'm going to walk you through picking the correct template or for your topic. So as you can see here, there's plenty of templates here for thank you cards. This would be good like after birthdays or Christmas even, or after our fundraiser. We'll send thank yous to family and friends that ordered from you. We will do one for around the holidays. So there's like a Valentine's Day one right here and a President's Day one, and we will even dabble. You'll see over here it says create a blank postcard. That will be one of our year-end projects. There's even birthday ones if you would want to make your own birthday, and you could see that most of them have custom you can customize them. And then we'll come back over here. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Neither is that. Good gravy. Okay, there's different ones. These will be good to even show like your moms and dads or parents, guardians, that they could do them for. There's tons of more thank yous, birthdays. We will do periodically. We will make digital postcards to send to our parents and guardians about things that we are learning. I like this cute one right here. It says ice cream solves everything, which is true. There's never a problem that ice cream cannot solve. So I'm excited to see what kind of postcards you guys end up creating this year.